In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just a concept, it's a lifestyle. From creating music to writing stories, from building websites to making money online, AI is everywhere. But the real question is, which tools are truly worth your time? Today, I'll take you on a journey through 5 free AI tools that are changing the way people live, work, and create. By the end of this story, you'll not only know them, you'll feel inspired to use them. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this digital adventure. Chapter 1. The Writer's Dream, ChatGPT 5 by OpenAI. Narrator. Our journey begins with ChatGPT 5, the crown jewel of AI language models. Imagine a tool that can write essays, build websites, translate languages, create YouTube scripts, code entire programs, and even guide you through your personal goals. That's ChatGPT 5. And yes, the free version in 2025 is smarter than any paid AI from just 2 years ago. You can ask it to write you a business plan, create a viral video idea, or even help you study for your exams. Writers, students, YouTubers, everyone is using it. It's like having a virtual genius in your pocket. Always ready, always learning, always polite. Chapter 2. The Designer's Paradise, Leonardo AI. Narrator. Next, we step into the world of art, where imagination meets creation. Meet Leonardo AI, a free design and image generation tool that can turn your words into stunning visuals. Just type, a futuristic city floating above the clouds at sunset. And within seconds, Leonardo brings it to life in breathtaking detail. From 3D textures to anime characters, logo concepts to realistic portraits, Leonardo AI gives creators the power to visualize ideas without needing expensive software or years of design training. In 2025, this tool has become every YouTuber's best friend, creating thumbnails, posters, and even entire comic scenes for free. Chapter 3. The Video Wizard, Pika Labs. Narrator. Now, let's move to the most exciting part of the AI world: video creation. In the past, making videos took time, skills, and expensive equipment. But today, Pika Labs changed everything. All you do is type what you imagine, like a drone flying over snowy mountains with soft music in the background. And Pika Labs turns that sentence into a realistic, animated video. It's like directing a movie with just your imagination. From short reels to cinematic scenes, content creators are using Pika Labs to bring their ideas alive without cameras, without actors, without limits. And the best part? It's free. Chapter 4. The Voice Master, 11 Labs. Narrator. Every great video needs a powerful voice. Enter 11 Labs, the AI voice generator that sounds almost human. Whether you want a soft female narrator, a dramatic male movie voice, or even your own cloned voice, 11 Labs can do it all. Imagine creating podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube videos in multiple languages, and all you need is a text. No microphones, no recording studio. It's revolutionizing the voice industry, making storytelling more global and more emotional than ever before. Chapter 5. The Productivity King, Notion AI. Narrator. Our final stop takes us into the world of productivity, where creativity meets organization. Meet Notion AI, your second brain. It helps you plan your week, organize projects, write notes, manage a YouTube channel, or even track your fitness goals, all powered by AI. You can ask it to summarize long articles, generate ideas, or create daily to-do lists. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps. In 2025, Notion AI isn't just a tool, it's a lifestyle for those who want to stay focused, creative, and efficient. Conclusion. The future in your hands. Narrator. So, these are the top 5 free AI tools you must try in 2025. 1. ChatGPT 5. The Master of Words. 2. Leonardo AI, the artist's brush. 3. Pika Labs, the visual storyteller. 4. 11 Labs, the voice of imagination. 5. Notion AI, the mind organizer. Each one opens a new door, a new way to create, learn, and dream. The truth is, the world isn't waiting. Those who learn to use AI will move ahead, while others will only watch. So start today. Explore these tools, because the future isn't coming tomorrow, it's already here.